Hello students, our today's topic is cost element as a GL account master data. Cost elements used to work as a cost carrier from financial accounting to controlling module in SAP ECC. There are two types of a cost element. First is primary cost element, that is transfer cost from finance to controlling such as material cost, energy cost, personal cost and etc. Secondary cost element is controlling module cost only such as assessment, internal activity allocation, order settlement. In SAP S4 HANA Finance, both primary and secondary cost elements are now created as a GL accounts and are part of a chart of account. A new field for the cost element category has been introduced in GL Master Record. A cost element category classifies cost elements according to their usage or origin. Account type in GL accounts controls the eligible cost element categories in SAP S4 HANA. For editing cost element, transaction code is FS00 or we can go by path SAP SCSS, accounting, controlling, cost element controlling, cost data, cost element, individual processing, edit cost element. SAP में देखते हैं accounting, controlling, cost element accounting, master data, cost element, individual processing and FS00. Double click on it. Enter your GL account which you have to edit. We will take a expense ledger. So 5000 हमने expense ledger 5000 से maintain किया था. Click on the change button. Then click on control data and enter here element category. So हमारा element category हमें देना है primary cost. Now click on save button. Now we will take a revenue ledger 6 lakh. Click on change button. Click on control data and enter element category 1. That is a primary cost. Press enter and then click on save button. Now we will create a new ledger 500001. Click on with template. Enter our expense ledger. Enter our company code. Click on continue button. Then change the name of ledger. Here primary cost, P&L account, return earning account. एक्सपेंस लेजर की जगह हम देंगे एनर्जी अकाउंट. Click on control data. And enter element category. And check our field status group, that is G004. Click on save button. Now we will create another ledger for gas with template. Enter GL from which we have to copy and change the name. Gas account for TR1. Element category and G004. Now click on save button. Again we will create a ledger for water expenses. So we'll give a number with template. Enter your GL from which you have to copy and change the name. Water check in control data, element category, and lastly field status group G004. Then click on save button. Now we will create a assessment secondary cost element ledger. For that we will give a number 90000. Click on create button. Type description, select secondary cost, and here select secondary cost and revenue. Enter name assessment is secondary cost, and here enter full name assessment secondary cost element. Enter GL number, that is secondary element cost. We will search in our group. Secondary, okay, secondary cost element. Press enter, then click on control data. Enter element category, assessment, and lastly enter field status group G001. Then click on save button. Make here retain earning account, and now save. We will create